So here we are, out of the ocean and ready to take off. So we're gonna give it full power and see the full performance of this fantastic Michael Peters hull on the Verve 47 Azimut yachts, 450 Mercury racing for a total of 1800 horsepower. Off we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, take off. We're doing 45 miles an hour. It's pretty rough weather. 50 miles an hour. Unbelievable power. The hull is so rock solid, it goes through weather. Unbelievable. 56 miles an hour, 57 miles an hour. We are flying on the water. 58, 59. Let's see if we can hit 60 miles an hour. We have auto trim, auto list, auto trim on the engine. We hit 60 miles an hour on this incredible day. Montauk, New York, Verve 47, 1800 horsepower, 60 miles an hour. And these things run like a champ through the shop. We're really flying. We're actually doing something that you shouldn't do with this kind of chop. You should be a little lighter, but she's not bothered at all. She's really flying through this weather. And I'm gonna take it down a little now to see, to do a couple of sharp turns and see how this hull is literally on rails. If you look at this, I mean, the way it performs in turns, it's like being in a roller coaster. It's unbelievable how sharp and tight every turn is. And wide open speed, we are doing 44 miles an hour. And turns in like the boat is on literally on rails. If you look at the back, unbelievable, incredible adrenaline performance. So we're gonna go now and go back to our inlet after this incredible run. But you see, we hit 60 miles an hour on a 47 Verve.